They come off a good win in the opener on the road, and they get a second road game here.
Yeah, the schedule makers didn't really do them any favors, but if they can win here and get to 2-0 on the road, they can be well set up for the rest of the year.
Second down, McKinnon. And he'll be brought down shy of the 40 at the 38-yard line. Throw left side, caught by Goodwin. Garoppolo going to try and throw on third. Pressure from his right, and he goes down hard, flat on his back. Third down, a shot here for Dalton. He's going to throw this. This is Jackson. It's complete. And all the way in for a Cincinnati score. John Ross.
For this game, one thing you noted that I totally agree with, great complimentary piece in the last game. You know, they were able to throw it pretty well. He ran it exceptionally, and they hope to continue that same formula.
Now Garoppolo on the bootleg. The first catch of the game for George Kittle. And he'll have it past midfield almost to the 40 before being taken down on first down. Garoppolo after the fake give to Breida. And he is going to go down. They sack him. Garoppolo to throw for it on fourth. He may try and run for this. Some help at all, and now they're looking at third down here. Goodwin able to haul it in. And he's going to have a first down here as he gets this one to the 17-yard line.
Nice completion there. Keeps the sticks moving.
That is caught by the tight end Kittle. Touchdown, 49ers. George Kittle, his third touchdown now on the year. Battling a toe injury the second half of the season. And boy, did the Bengals miss his presence. They limped to the finish line, losing 7 of their last 8. They are happy to have him back. And again, Andy Dalton to throw. He's got his man here. It's the pickup on the pitch and catch. Throwing again on second down. 13 seconds to play in half number 1. Another chance for Dalton. Under pressure now, and he's going to go down. Eagles now, 1st and 10 at their 25-yard line. Dalton under pressure, and they got to him again. D Ford just would not be denied. That's a loss of 7. Now they're looking at third down here. Throwing, Dalton. He finds Ross.
Patton in 7, Thompson in lane 8. Away first time, good start from Bolt. Bolt leading a moment and going away. Gay trying to go with him, and he's being dragged through to second place, but he's going to win it by 2 meters. 9.58. The world record's gone. That's more like it. Sub 9.6.
Out of the gun, it's Dalton. And down he goes. The 49ers get there. D Ford picks up his second sack of the afternoon for the face mask.
Talk about a play that absolutely costs you in the end. Just trying to do your job, right? Trying to get him on the ground. Next thing you know, they'll march up another.
And across the chalk into the end zone. It's a 49er touchdown. Now they face a 3rd and 10 after back-to-back incompletions. And Dalton to throw. And he'll be out of bounds, but able to get it up past the... They'll get to the line here, but remember, it's also third down. Got a man, it's Ross, complete. Down. They've converted 4 times out of 6, not bad. This time they face a 3rd and 2. To throw here, Dalton. He's got it. And he will take it on in for a Bengals touchdown. 3. Garoppolo after the fake give to Breida. Able to haul it in. A big play inside the 15 now as they come up on 1st and 10. And now on second down. Well, Garoppolo's going to throw it. His throw caught at about the 5. So the victory here for San Francisco. And you look back over the score sheet, interesting. A very clean game, no turnovers by either side.
An absolute rarity when we watch games now because defenses have put such an emphasis on taking the ball away. Well, what we saw here was offenses spending their time saying, look, you know they're coming for it. Ball security is paramount. So they worked on that, not just a week of practice, but I'm sure all during training camp. Make sure when you have it, tuck it away because danger lurks everywhere you turn.
So for the Niners, it's a dream start. 2 wins in 2 early road games. And they will head back home next week.